The last portions of the trail around Hume Lake. Rocks, dust, dirt. I guess I can go this way. A little log fence. Isn't bad. A log fence, baby. Here you are back at the Hume Lake area where the trek started from. Offices. Yep, gas really went up here. Really wanted someone for their gas. And we're going back now to turn the bike back in. The Hume Lake visit is over. Go back. Hi! Here's a nice lady. Here we are back at the bike place. Just turning the bikes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just want to turn on my bike.
You turn it in?
Yeah, I did. Steve Story. Oh, okay. Thank you.
There's a single conference, right? So you two contain your back.
Can I make it?
You have $5 back.
Oh, I really made it. Wow. Gosh, I got that close, huh?
There you go, buddy.
Like a time journey.
Yeah. Where'd you go?
I just ran around the lake, you know. It's really nice. I like the little signs that gives you information about the history of the lake and the plants and the like when they used to be loggers and they used to be the guy that built the dam, you know, that guy was a unique design. All right, we'll see you later.
See you later, sir.